Narito na ang mga pangyayaring na dokumento ng otoridad. Ito ang blotter. 3.4 million pesos suspected shabu nasamsam ng otoridad sa Barangay Sasa, Davao City. Lalaki arestado sa operasyon. 110 individual ang naaresto sa serye ng mga operasyon na ikinasa ng Davao City Police Office. 1.8 million pesos na halaga ng suspected shabu nasamsam. 3 Chinese nationals, 1 Pinoy na backhoe operator, arestado sa inilunsad na anti-illegal mining operation ng otoridad sa Davao del Norte. Cotabato City PNP personnel, community religious leaders at Council of Elders nagharap sa isang dialogo kaugnay sa 2025 NLEs at BPEs.
Batayang talaan ng mga pangyayari. Lahat ng detalye ng ulat o insidente na opisyal na idinokumento. Sa talahan na yan, tugon ang kinaukulan sa pangyayari mula sa mga ebidensya o impormasyon para sa record ng isang kaso. Blotter. Mapapanood na mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 8 ng gabi sa iMinds Philippines.
Magandang gabi. Ako si Naphtali Bendol at narito na ang mga pangyayaring na dokumento ng otoridad. Ito ang blotter. Nasamsam ng otoridad sa Davao City ang 3.4 million pesos na halaga ng suspected shabu. Naaresto naman ang isang lalaki sa operasyon. Tiklo ang isang alias Jayjay sa anti-illegal drug operation sa Don Julian Street, Doña Pilar, Barangay Sasa, Davao City kaninang umaga. Nasamsam din sa operasyon ang 3.4 million pesos na halaga ng suspected shabu. Nasa kustodiya na ng Sasa Police Station, Davao City Police Office ang naarestong individual para sa proper disposition at paghahain ng kaukulang kaso. Pinuri naman ni Pro 11 Regional Director, Police Brigadier General Leon Victor Rosete, ang matagumpay na operasyon ng Pro 11 personnel kasama ang Drug Enforcement Unit, Intel Operatives ng Sasa Police Station at Tactical Support Company ng Regional Mobile Force Battalion 11. 110 individual ang arestado ng mga elemento ng Davao City Police Office sa serye ng mga operasyon na ikinasa sa syudad. Nasamsam naman sa magkakahiwalay na operasyon ang halos 2 milyong piso na halaga ng suspected shabu. Tumitimbang ng mahigit 267 grams ng hinihinalang shabu ang nakumpiska ng otoridad, bukod pa sa 52.24 grams ng marijuana ayon sa Davao City Police Office. Samantala, 42 individual ang napasakamay ng otoridad sa Davao City, kabilang na ang 12 most wanted persons. Sa pinaigting ng kampanya kontra illegal gambling, 17 gamblers din ang tiklo sa 14 na operasyon. Sa kampanya naman ng kontra loose firearms, 2 individual ang arestado at nasamsam ang 3 armas at 8 ang mga isinuko. Ikinasa ang operasyon mula January 19, 2025 hanggang January 25, 2025. Arestado ang 3 Chinese nationals at 1 Pinoy na backhoe operator sa inilunsad na anti-illegal mining operation ng otoridad sa Davao del Norte. Inaresto ng mga elemento ng Police Regional Office 11 ang 3 Chinese nationals at 1 Pinoy na backhoe operator sa isinagawang anti-illegal mining operation sa Purok 2, Barangay Mambing, New Corella, Davao del Norte, 22 ng Enero. Sa report ng Pro 11, bigong makapagpakita ng required permits at legal documents ang mga banyaga. Kinumpiska din ng otoridad ang mga heavy equipments na ginagamit sa illegal activities, kabilang na ang 3 backhoe, 4 na water pumps at 2 fabricated screeners. Nasa kustodiya na ng New Corella Municipal Police Station ang mga naaresto para sa proper disposition. Habang inihahanda na ng Mines and Geosciences Bureau Region 11 at ng Philippine National Police ang kaukulang kaso laban sa mga ito. Katuwang ng Pro 11 sa matagumpay na operasyon ang Mines and Geosciences Bureau Region 11, Provincial Environment and Natural Resources Office o PENRO Davao del Norte, Department of Environment and Natural Resources o City Environment and Natural Resources Office at National Commission on Indigenous Peoples. Nagharap sa isang dialogo ang mga kinatawan ng Cotabato City PNP, Community Religious Leaders at Council of Elders. Ito ay kaugnay sa nalalapit na national at local elections sa BARM parliamentary elections sa Mayo. Iginasa ito kaninang umaga sa lungsod. Sa hanay ng Cotabato City PNP, pinangunahan ito ni Cotabato City Police Director Police Colonel Giben Bongkayaw, Police Lieutenant Colonel Joaquin Agtarap at Police Lieutenant Colonel Christopher Kabugwang. Layunin ng aktibidad na isulong ang kooperasyon ng religious sectors at magkaroon ng kolaborasyon sa pagitan ng komunidad at otoridad sa pagpapanatili ng kaayusan at kapayapaan sa lungsod at sa pagkamit ng maayos, tapat at mapayapang halalan. At yan ang mga pangyayaring na dokumento ng otoridad sa Blotter. Ako si Naphtali Bendol. Maraming salamat, magandang gabi.
Batayang talaan ng mga pangyayari. Lahat ng detalye ng ulat o insidente na opisyal na idinukomento. Sa talahan na yan, tugon ang kinaukulan sa pangyayari mula sa mga ebidensya o impormasyon para sa record ng isang kaso. Blotter. Mapapanood na mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, alas 8 ng gabi sa iMinds Philippines. Craving a perfect cup of coffee, a refreshing sip of tea, or a scoop of heavenly ice cream? Look no further than Black Scoop Cafe in Awang Tatuodin Sinswat, Maguindanao del Norte. Our exclusive drinks are expertly crafted to leave a distinct mark of quality in your mind. With a passion for branding, we put our heart into every detail, ensuring an unforgettable experience for you. Indulge your senses and elevate your taste buds with our wide selection of artisanal coffee, exquisite tea blends, and irresistible ice cream creations. Every sip and scoop is a masterpiece, handcrafted to perfection using the finest ingredients. At Black Scoop Cafe, we're passionate about bringing you the best of the best. Visit Black Scoop Cafe, the ultimate destination for coffee connoisseurs, tea enthusiasts, and ice cream lovers. Find us in Awang Tatuodin Sinswat, Maguindanao del Norte. And experience the joy of exceptional flavors that will leave you craving for more. Black Scoop Cafe at Rad Arcade, Awang Branch, Tatuodin Sinswat, Maguindanao del Norte. Elevate your coffee, tea, and ice cream experience today. Treat yourself to a guilt-free indulgence, the healthiest, the most innovative, and delectable avocado treats from Avocadoria. Now swirling in Cotabato City, try their best-seller Avocado Lover. If you want to shake the heat off, try their Avocado Dark Chocolate Shake, Avocado Coconut Keto Milkshake, and Avocado Barley Shake. Blow off some steam with their light ice cream and Avocado Señorita Drumstick, Avocado Ice Cream Cheesecake, Avocado Century Ball Ice Cream, and Dark Mocha Avocado Praline Cake. Also available, Nachos Beef Guacamole. Spread sweetness and happiness with Avocadoria. Now Swirly at Branch 1 City Mall, Cotabato. Open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Branch 2 Notre Dame Avenue, Cotabato City. For orders and deliveries, please call 0995-965-6755 or 064-421-5921.
Sa STI, high-tech ang facilities. May real-life training at pwedeng mag-aral anytime and anywhere to make students job-ready. Para sigurado ang future mo, choose STI.
A healthy living starts with healthier teeth. And Happy Teeth Dental Clinic is happy to serve you. They offer dental consultation, oral prophylaxis or cleaning, fluoride application, tooth restoration or pasta, diastema closure, veneers, tooth extraction, third molar surgery or odontectomy. Well, worry no more of your denture because they also offer plastic denture, Flexit, casted glass, metal framework, porcelain fixed denture, E-Max crowns, and zirconia crowns. For other services, they also offer root canal treatment, periapical x-ray, bleaching, whitening, conventional orthodontic, self-ligating orthodontic, ceramic orthodontic, myofunctional orthodontic, conventional retainers, lingual retainer, mouth guard, space maintainer, palatal expander, and inclined plane. Visit Happy Teeth Dental Clinic at their maternity branch, Cotabato Puriculture Center, and General Hospital Foundation, Don Rufino Alonso Street, Cotabato City, and at their Almonte branch, Unit 1, 2nd floor, H&J Building, Almonte Street, Cotabato City. For appointments or consultations, you may call or text 0926 2364862 Maternity Branch or 0936-9569-694 Almonte Branch. See miracle in life every day. Smile. Don't forget, healthy teeth, happy teeth. Visit Happy Teeth Dental Clinic now.
Naghahanap ba kayo ng abot kaya at sulit na car service center? Well, finding no more dahil sagot kayo ng Elite Auto Hub. Elite Auto Hub offers the following services: car wash and motor wash, buffing, waxing, auto detailing, steam cleaning, asphalt removal, collision repair, automotive insurance claims. Habang nag-aantay naman kayo, pwedeng mag-relax sa kanilang Decaf Coffee Shop. Enjoy their hot drinks, iced coffee, at iba pang mga inumin. At kung medyo feeling hungry, they also serve all-day breakfast meal, rice bowls, at appetizers. Elite Auto Hub, located at Doña Teresa Street, Poblacion 4, Cotabato City. Open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.